Look what the cat dragged home tonight. No, not the e-bike looking one in the back. That's mom's. Uh, yeah, missing front wheel. Pretty good saddle. This bike is the best score ever. You might not think that way, but look what's between the freaking spokes, boys. Shimano Nexus 7-speed. If that thing still works, yeah, that's the best scrap haul all freaking my whole lifetime, I guess. I mean, those things new are 280 euros. If I modify it to make it work on my e-bike go-kart thingy, that's gonna be freaking mint. We're gonna have 7 gears instead of 5, because the second one is broken and it doesn't work really correctly. Some spray cans, so you can tell what's busy. Yeah, this saddle looks pretty nice. Only has some rust in the bottom, but it's only surface rust. Somebody lost the keys, I guess, because yeah, the spokes are fucked and the lock is missing. And the front wheel is missing because the previous owner thought, the tire's still good, let's keep that. You know? That's typical scrap finds. There's some things missing and broken. Like the shifter is broken. The shifter for the front sprocket is fucked. The cable is torn off, I think. Yeah. Baggage holder is fucked. Yeah, this pretty sturdy pole. But I like the two pokes. Those are a bitch if you live in the countryside. They always make your bike fall. I like this is a finished one here. This one is nicely and ready to drive. It's a little Frankensteiner. It's got 2 different tires on there. This one has a drum brake, so it's meant to be a little racer bike, so that's why the steering wheel's low as heck. But my wrist gets sore after a while, so I got the angle a little bit so up like that. So it should work better now. And the shifter is a little stiff. It looks broken, but it still works actually. It's kind of stubborn, but with a little electrical tape, it's still working. So yeah, race bike saddle, double rear lights because why not? Double safety. One of them has batteries from 2009 in there. Was on the scrap pile for years, and then this one also has a Shimano Nexus, more pedestrian 3-speed, not much special, but the front cranks are extra small, so the lower gear, has very low effort for, in case you're tired. Custom belt position. So yeah, I did lots of work on the bike, so yeah, the workshop is, the workbench is covered in tools and sprockets and handlebars and pliers with rubber things just to fix the fenders. It saves the pain if you put some rubber hose on the pliers. This one I never use still because I need a 6-speed and not a 3-speed selector. Select-O-Matic. This thing seems pretty decent quality. It's a Sunrace, I think. Yeah, Sunrace. Has these aluminium flappers. I like that style. Even though the cable's stiff, you can still get some muscle in there. Still the twisty things. I'm not a fan of the twisters. They're a little more annoying, especially if the cables are getting rusty. Yeah, this one was our parts bin. There's nothing on that bike left. And Daddy's old race bike, was sitting outside for years on end, so it's beyond savable. It's really rusty, not roadworthy anymore, so I just pick parts of it, like hub nuts, reflectors, steering, Anyways, that's the life of the average Netherlands freaking bike crazy ass fucking mofo. You might remember from the garage demolition that I fucking hate bikes. I'm American. That was a joke. But I hate bikes sometimes. When they get me in, when they're annoying me too many times, I fucking hate them. Yeah, especially when you got one of the pokies. Yeah, you send down. You go away for a bit, get your groceries in the house. You come back, fucking thing is upside down in the ditch. Because you know, you need to get the superior two pokies. Yeah, these pokies are good. It's like a scooter poke. Those are way better. They seem wobbly, but you know, doesn't matter where you set them. It's just keep their position. I like them double pokies better. And rusty nuts. Yeah, this is pretty decent. If you want to do the same thing, don't get yourself a Power Plus and hate yourself for the shit battery life. Even though they're 20 volt, couple amp hours, 1.5 amp hours. Yeah, get yourself a nice, decent one, like a Makita or a Milwaukee, 2 amp hours brushless. Yeah, you're gonna love your unbolting, rusty nut busting life. Yeah. And there's some saddles. This one was an Addict. It was moldy, so I cleaned it with alcohol. Got some springs, so it's countryside ready. So yeah, that's the workshop update. It's pretty late now, so adios amigos. Don't get your dick stuck in the vice.